Today we're going to be talking about 5 Hermès handbags that is worth buying in my books, and I can't wait to see if you guys agree with me or not. Hi guys! Obviously we know how hard it is to obtain an Hermès quota bag. There's usually a journey or wait to spend, or you get super lucky. But for me, I have been like on the journey and I'm still pacing towards the next quota. Today we can learn 5 non-quota bags that you guys can maybe walk into different stores, either to go to your local store or when you're traveling. You can always ask for these bags, even though they might tell you we don't have any bags in the bag, but maybe they do, because some of them are easier to get than others. If you're a Hermès lover, I want you to make a list in your head right now, and let's see if your list match with mine. The first one is the Pickleton. I have my son's friend's mom ask me, why is Pickleton so hard to get? You know, it's just they can't keep up with the amount of requests people get for Pickleton, because everyone would like to own a Pickleton, as it is very affordable compared to the other bags, you know, in the Hermès books. At the same time, it's very recognizable. It's widely used by a lot of Hermès lovers or, you know, their clients. So obviously people want to get their hands on a Pickleton. But I do think it is a little bit harder to get as people become more selective with colors. If you're not, obviously Hermès.com even have weekly drops where you can go and see if you can score the size that you like. So I definitely think Pickleton is on top of the list. The next one is Garden Party. Garden Party is offered in various sizes and is very cute and easy to carry with. It has a top handle and is most of the time used being like on the go, so you can just hold on to it and then put everything and anything you need. I know of a person who owns different sizes of the Garden Party, and every time she shows up carries a Garden Party, and I just love it because it's so her, and you can definitely kind of make it your personal bag in a very easy way. The handles are very structured, and there's a lot of space. It has a wide opening, so you can put an organizer and still a lot of things in there if you need be. It's a nice bag to start your collection before quota bags, for sure. And then there's the Evelyn. If you like a crossbody bag, this bag is so iconic, and every time I see one on the street, and I just think, there's really no ugly color, even though you might not be able to get the one that you have on your wish list. But truly, maybe, just go with a leap of faith and see whatever stock they have, and take a chance to take a very vibrant color or a color that you wasn't expecting yourself to go with, and I don't think it'll disappoint you. Obviously, Evelyn comes in a range of sizes as well. The starting price point is now beginning of $3,000 with the TPM, which is the smallest one, up to the bigger size, which I see when a lot of, like more mature women carry them, and especially when they're traveling. I do think, this person's got great taste, and it never looked bad on anybody. So I really love Evelyn, and I invite you guys to look into it for yourselves as well. The next on my list is Hermès Lindy. It's born out of the Lindy dance in the 20s, and it's a bag that is so uniquely Hermès, and I think they make now the new mini Lindy in a second version with a shorter strap, which is more user-friendly if you want to wear it as a crossbody. And Lindy comes in also the 29 and 34. There are different sizes for the Lindy, and it's very recognizable if you know Hermès, and even if you don't know, you would think, what kind of handbag is that? This bag has got a very unique look and also very nice leather. So Lindy is definitely one of those bags that is worth going after if you don't have a quota bag. And finally is the Huli. The Huli is a very, very cute messenger bag, and it has a little Hermès, kind of like the Jeanne d'Arc label. It's a really nice structured little bag, and when I see this bag now, I definitely think there's a lot of similarity between this one and the micro Cartier CC flap that I got. If you haven't checked that video yet, I'm going to make sure I link it over here. The mini really holds its value really, really strong on the secondary market, especially the classic colors, black, taupe, gold, or even white. Any neutral colors goes really well with any outfits. It's got probably a very minimalist look, but it's a bag that doesn't compromise in style. So whenever I see one, I go, this person probably got really nice collection of her own if I see a mini Huli on somebody. Okay, so this sums up my list of 5 Hermès handbags that are worth buying without getting the quota bag. Obviously, this depends on stock availability, the time you're going into the store, or how well your associate is feeling like giving it to you. But I know that, you know, these bags does not require any pre-spending threshold. Maybe depending on the size, some are harder to get than others. But for the most part, it's not a quota bag, and you definitely can ask if you can be put on the wait list for this. So let me know your thoughts, and I really am curious to see if anybody's list matched mine today. Let me know in the comment section below, and please give this video a thumbs up because it really supports the channel, and I look forward to talking with you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye. Dos